How to fix and solve Kawai app login problem. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. If you are having trouble looking to Kawai app, you are not alone. In this video, I'll walk you through some quick and effective solutions to get you back in without any hassle. So let's get started. First thing first, let's start with the basics. Make sure you have a stable internet connection. Sometimes a weak Wi-Fi or mobile data signal can cause login issues. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if it helps. If that didn't work, the next step is to clear the app cache. You can go to your phone settings, then find apps or application manager, then locate the Kawai app and tap on it. Choose storage and tap on clear cache. This can help minor bugs that can be causing login issues. Next, update the app. Sometimes an outdated app can cause login problems. Check if there is an update available for the Kawai app in your App Store or Google Play Store. If there is, go ahead and update it, as this can often solve compatibility issues. Next, if you are still facing issues, try restarting your device. It sounds simple, but a quick restart can solve temporary glitches. If none of the above steps worked, try uninstalling and reinstalling the app. This can clear any lingering issues and provide a fresh start. And that's it. These steps should help you fix any login problems with the Kawai app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech fixes. Thank you for watching and we will see you again in the next video.